Hey guys, so welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to turn off TikTok comments on live. So guys, to do this process, first thing is make sure you go to the Google Play Store into your device and search for TikTok and just make sure you are running the latest version of the TikTok application. And when there is any update, you should be able to see it over here. Now to make sure, select the three dots on the top right corner and enable the auto update. Now let's proceed. Go open up the application into your device. Now over here, guys, once you have opened up your TikTok, of course, you could just simply go to the live of the other people on the top left corner of the screen. Now, guys, when you join to a live, as you can see, there are people commenting on the live. So to turn off the comment, and if you want the live only, you could just simply tap on the live and just simply swipe it to the right side. And from here, as you can see, I have swiped it to the right side and I should only be seeing the live only, and I should be able to turn off the TikTok comments. And now if I want to get it back on or turn the comments back on, I could just simply swipe to the left and I should be able to turn on the comment. So pretty much this feature, you can utilize the full experience of live, and pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.